Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I sublimate my photos and graphic designs onto these mugs. So stick around for the full step-by-step tutorial on mug sublimation. For sublimating your designs onto mugs, you will need the following items. A sublimation printer. This one is a bit expensive, but there are several Epson printers that can be fitted with a CIS set of cartridges for sublimation inks. If you purchase an Epson printer, do not install the cartridges that came with it if you intend to use it for sublimation. You will also need scissors, heat tape, a sublimatable mug, an oven mitt, transfer paper, a mug press, and of course your design. I will leave links in the description below for all of the items mentioned. Before working on your design, measure the height and circumference of your mug. This 11-ounce mug was 3.5 inches by 10.25 inches. I deducted 1.25 inches from the circumference to allow for the handle area to be print-free. I made my design 3 inches by 9 inches. Load your sublimation paper into the printer. Here I am using a Sawgrass SG400 printer. Create your design in the graphic software of your choice. Before sending my design to print, I set my substrate type to ceramic and then chose my brand of paper. I also checked the mirror image box before printing. The print may look dull, but don't worry, that's normal. It would look vibrant once pressed onto the mug. I used a guillotine to cut my print to size. I usually leave about 1/4 inch to the top and the bottom of the print, so that it is the exact height of the mug. Center your print on the mug. Whilst holding it down, tape it down using the heat tape. 6 pieces of tape might be overkill. You might get by with just 2 large pieces. The mug is now ready for the heat press. If you are using a mug press for the first time, you may need to adjust the pressure. With the press in the off position, slide in the mug and pull down the handle until you feel it lock into place. Adjust the pressure if necessary by either turning the knob or nut clockwise or counterclockwise. A medium to firm pressure is recommended. Remove the mug. Since all mug presses are different, you may have to vary the time and temperature, but a good starting point temperature would be 400 degrees Fahrenheit with a time of 3 minutes. These settings work perfectly for me, so I set my temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I then set the timer for 3 minutes. I check the temperature with an infrared thermometer, and once the press reaches the set temperature, I slide the mug into the press and center the handle. Holding the mug press down to avoid sliding, I pull down the handle until it locks into place. The timer on my machine counted out a while back, so I use the stopwatch on my phone. Once the time is up, release the pressure on the mug and slide it out of the press. The mug is extremely hot, so be sure to wear an oven mitt for protection. Peel off the tape with your fingernail to release the print from the mug. Place the hot mug on a heat-proof surface to cool down. Sublimation mugs make great personalized gifts for any occasion. And they are also fun to make. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, remember to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Take care, bye for now, and happy printing!